The essential understanding for this lesson is: time to the hour can be shown on an analog clock or on a digital clock, and can be written in two ways, using the word o'clock or using numbers and a colon. Previously, students used analog clocks to tell time to the hour. In this lesson, students extend their work with time to include digital clocks, writing time to the hour using the word o'clock or using numbers, with a colon separating the hour from the minutes. This problem is key because the same time, to the hour, is shown on an analog clock and on a digital clock. Students are asked to tell that time and to compare the clocks. Listen and look for students who tell the time correctly, 9 o'clock, but whose observations about the clocks don't directly relate to the measurement of time. To help these students think about how the clocks display time in different ways, show an analog clock and draw the frame of a digital clock on the board. Move the hour hand on the analog clock and write each matching time on the digital clock. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Guide students to see that the number the hour hand points to on the analog clock always matches the number before the colon on the digital clock. That number tells the hour. Listen and look for other students who also tell the time shown on the clocks correctly, and point out that both clocks have numbers. Then they explain that one clock, the analog clock, has an hour hand and a minute hand. The other clock, the digital clock, has two dots, or a colon, between the numbers for the hour and the minutes. These students are developing an understanding of how time to the hour can be shown on an analog clock and on a digital clock, and can be written in two ways. In later lessons, students will build upon this work to tell time to the half hour.